On behalf of Rama University, I, Dr. Vikram Bahadur Singh, I am an associate professor in Faculty of Juridical Science, Rama University. Today, my topic is meaning of jurisprudence. Meaning of jurisprudence, just like jurisprudence is not a defined term. It is a very wide meaning according to various jurists given by this definition. Just like a jurisprudence is a very wide term. We'll discuss in first slide introduction to jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is the philosophical study of law. It deals with the principle, concept, and theory of law. Theory of law. The term has been defined differently by various jurists. Just like it. Second slide. Etymologically, meaning of jurisprudence. It derives from Latin. It derives from Latin term jurisprudencia. Jurisprudencia means just like divided in two parts. Juris plus prudencia. Juris means knowledge or skill, and second term is knowledge of law. A definition given by Alpian: jurisprudence is the knowledge of things divine and human, the science of the just and unjust. Just and unjust means it is not a defined term, it is not a determined term. Definition given by Austin Bentham Hart, John Austin, given by jurisprudence, the definition, jurisprudence is the philosophy of positive law. It means positive law means it definition defined by John Austin. John Austin given this definition just like a sovereign. Defined in his definition, the sovereign means just like a whole soul power of nation. Next definition is Jeremy Bentham. Jeremy Bentham is advocated for utilitarianism and codification of law for the societal benefit. And next definition given by H.L.A. Hart. H.L.A. Hart distinguished between primary rules and secondary rules. Primary rules is a basic rules, and secondary rules is a secondary rules given by H.L.A. Hart. Next definition given by John Salmon. John Salmon, the jurisprudence is the science of law. Just like the jurisprudence is the science of law, emphasizes systematic study of legal principle, include both civil and criminal concept. And definition given by Holland. Jurisprudence is the formal science of positive law. Jurisprudence concerned with general legal concept, excludes moral or ethical consideration. Definition given by Gray. Gray is just like a school of realistic theory. Realistic theory, jurisprudence is the science of law, the statement of which are statement of the rules given by court. Stress the role of judiciary. Comparative view of definition given by various jurists, Roscoe Pound, Egan ALH, and there are so many definitions given by various jurists. It define various schools, just like a natural law school, a sociological school, philosophical school, realistic school, and there are so many schools defined by the jurist. And there are so many definitions given by Kant. Kant defines jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is the science of right. Roscoe Pound defines jurisprudence as the science of law. Allen defines jurisprudence as the scientific synthesis of the essential principle of law. Keaton defines jurisprudence is the systematic study of systematic arrangement and the general principle of law. Julius Stone defines jurisprudence is the lawyer's extraversion. Lawyer's extraversions. Lasky defines jurisprudence as jurisprudence is the eye of law. And now we can conclude this topic, the meaning of the jurisprudence. Jurisprudence explains the nature and meaning of law. Different jurists provided different perspective. Together, these definitions enrich the understanding of law. Jurisprudence is a very wide term. There is no legislation on jurisprudence. Jurisprudence is defined by various jurists, just like a Salman, H.L.A. Hart, Eugen Ehrlich, and Eugen Ehrlich, Roscoe Pound. Roscoe Pound given theory social engineering. Social engineering is just like a law is a social science. Law is a social science. Law is a social science. It means law connected from social science. Social science. It is a very close relation between law and science. And Gray also define is just like a realistic theory. And we give our theory of John Austin. Law is a command by sovereign. Law is a command by sovereign. Command is just like a punishment. And sanction. Sanction is a very hard term because without sanction we cannot say that law is a proper implementation in our society. Thank you so much.